Make a great choice today with the 2014 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, touring suspension, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.